Welcome! Bean Academy is a music composition game designed for musically unskilled beginners who want to learn music composition. Current challenges for entering music composition learning requires very high standards of prerequisites such as music theory comprehension, computer literacy, and mostly the music composition software proficiency. Therefore, to reduce complexity in mastering music composition software and also to reduce prior knowledge in musical theories, we have adapted Vocal Query Transcription model into our game. Vocal Query Transcription automatically converts the player's singing or humming input data to a short piece of melodies. This technique is being used widely in many other contexts in music search engines, puzzle game mechanics, and vocal training, etc. However, we have not found any prior applied cases to the music composition learning field. Therefore, Bean Academy was designed based on aforementioned challenges and application gaps. Through playing 3 different game modes, players can have a magical experience where their voices suddenly become a piece of music. More detailed gameplay is stated on the full gameplay video. Thank you for your attention.